Spider mites are extremely small, ranging from 0.2 to 0.5 millimeters in length. Their size makes them difficult to detect without magnification. The life cycle of spider mites typically consists of egg, larva, nymph, and adult stages. They reproduce rapidly, with many generations occurring in a single growing season. Their color is red or yellow, and the damage they make can be very big. They can reach a state of immense quantities. Hot and dry conditions favor the rapid reproduction of spider mites. They are often a problem in warm and arid climates. They are moving between plants, using webs that they produce, and suck the liquids out of the leaves, leaving them dry. Some species of spider mites produce fine silk webs on the plants they infest. These webs serve several purposes, including protecting them from predators and adverse environmental conditions. Spider mites feed on plant cells by piercing the cell walls and extracting the contents. This feeding behavior can result in stippling, discoloration, and a general decline in plant health. This can happen in a matter of days, if not taken care of. Severe infestations can lead to reduced yields, stunted growth, and even death of plants if left untreated. Spider mites are active on all vegetable crops. Spider mites can infest a wide range of plants, including vegetables, fruits, ornamental plants, and field crops. They develop tolerance to many designated pesticides. They are not affected at all by many of the pesticides developed at great cost to give a proper solution against them, turning out to be very hard to eradicate. Use at least 3 different kinds of pesticides, and alternate between them, every 3 days, in order to overcome pest resistance, and completely exterminate them. Controlling spider mites involves a combination of cultural, biological, and chemical methods. Chemical pesticides such as bifenazate, abamectin, milbemectin, aceconazole, phenbutate oxide, cyflontophan, etoxazole, and spironolactone are best against spider mites. These organic products are also used to fight spider mites. Neem oil, a naturally occurring pesticide that is found in seeds from the neem tree. Azadirachtin is the most active component here. It reduces insect feeding and acts as a repellent. It also interferes with insect hormone systems, making it harder for insects to grow and lay eggs. Sulfur, the popular fungicide which controls the fungi named powdery mildew, has also an acarcidal effect on spider mites, both adults and eggs. On average, sulfur reduced mite infestations to low levels within 1 week of treatment and eliminate mites as of 3 weeks post-treatment. It is important to mix the sulfur with water in the amounts indicated on the product label. Usually mix 4 tablespoons per each 1 gallon of water use. Pyrethrin, a collection of 6 esters, which are found in high concentrations within the acons of the flower. It targets insects' nervous systems. Pyrethrin induce excited behavior in the insect, which results in increased insect exposure to the pyrethrin and eventual death. Mineral oil covers the egg, larva, nymph, and adult stages, causing suffocation. It leaves no toxic residue on plants. Paraffinic oil acts as a smothering and prevents insect respiration. For maximum effectiveness, spray all kinds of oils well, especially on the underside of the leaf. The foliage of the crop should be well moistened. Spray in the cool evening hours. It is recommended to spray 2 consecutive sprays 3 days apart. The biological way is using Phytosciolus persimilis. The carnivorous mite, Phytosciolus persimilis, which originates in South America, serves as an effective natural enemy of spider mites. The adult female is pear-shaped and orange-reddish in color. Its main characteristics are long front legs and rapid movement, especially when exposed to strong light or when its normal activity is disturbed. The young stages, larvae and nymphs, are oval in shape and pale pink in color. Its rate of development is almost twice as fast as that of the pest. It is no wonder, then, that the persimilis mite is considered a particularly effective natural enemy. with an impressive ability to suppress populations of harmful mites. It's a great mite predator for spider mites in humid greenhouses and in dense field crops. It consumes eggs, nymphs, and adult stages of mites. Spider mites are killed by being searched by the predatory mites that suck them dry once found. Release at first sign of mite infestation. Once leaf damage is serious, as more than 4 mites per leaf, achieving control is more difficult. For heavy infestations, remove the most affected parts of the plant. Apply mites repeatedly by inverting the bottle over spider mite-infested leaves. Each inversion delivers a measured amount of vermiculite. Tap and roll bottle before reopening it. Check the links below in order to find out more on where to buy these substances.